Hi there, welcome back to another video. My boy Mr. Talented Reid, and today video I have a 1999 Nissan Sentra and I'm getting a P0505 code for this idle air control valve right here. So I'm going to remove it. So this is a star pine screwdriver. This is Phillips. So I'm going to show you what to do. So right here I have a connector. I already put it loose. So to get it loose, you're going to squeeze this tab right here, this clip, squeeze and pull down, and right here I have one screw right here. Most time they're really tight, so you might have to use something to top it to pull them, like a chisel or something, or a punch with a small top. So this is the other one right here. Okay, and this is the screw. They're very short. Just gonna twist it and pull out, and this is it, guys. Idle air control valve. So this one damaged, so I'm going to get a new one and replace it, and do a video to show you guys the new one. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here, so as you can see right here, I have the new idle air control valve. So I'm going to put it on. So that's the old one right here. I also get two screws and a gasket. So as you can see in the video early on, the first part of the video, I already loose the screws, removed it from it. So I didn't tighten these screws. So just gonna remove them easily. As I mentioned earlier in the video, most time you have to use a chisel or a punch to tap on those screws to remove them. Okay, so right here, I don't know if you can see it, but right here this gasket seems okay. This one, so just gonna put the new one, the air control valve on it. Go like this. It also have a seal, so you don't have to worry. Just tap it in just like that, guys. I'm just gonna use the new screws. Alright, now I'm going to tighten them. Okay. It could work with a longer screwdriver, but this is the one I found that works still. So I'm just gonna plug it on back now, guys. And I'm going to clear the code, my scanner. So right here, these are the whole screws. This is the box it comes in. Right. It's from AutoZone. This is the old one. So I'm going to get my scan tool and clear the code. Okay, so I'm just using this like a regular scan tool for now. This one can work also. So if you want to get one for yourself, you can get it to do your one do-it-yourself stuff. Okay, so right here I'm going to plug it. Okay, I'm going to switch on the ignition. Okay, so switch on the ignition right there, guys. Clear the code. Okay. Alright. It's okay. Yes. Read code. Okay, so as you can see right there, P0505 idle air control system. So that's what this going. That is what the valves are giving trouble. So I'm going to clear the code. Escape. Erase. Go to this. Alright, erase code. Yes. Okay, so what this do with the vehicle is let the vehicle idle rough, guys. Most time it take a long time to start, and most time it's crank and it's immediately cut right off back. So that's what the problem is. When I scan it, I get that code. So I'm going to crank the vehicle and see it behave. Okay, check engine light goes off. No more vibration from the vehicle, but vibrating a lot. When I touch this, all the steering, it keep vibrating. And delay to rev. Now it's accelerated. Okay, now guys, put it in here and see what it's gonna do. And you keep up, no more vibrating. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.